Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good, ma'am.
Good
How are you,
evening,
ma'am?
ma'am. How are you,
Good
ma'am?
evening. Sorry,
How are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
I'm also good. Thank you. Okay, let me first share the screen so that you people can start writing. Today we'll not practice MCQ, but the theory questions because this Saturday, Sunday will be your test for sorting materials.
तो वही मैं ना उससे एक बार बात करके मैं उससे एक बार बात करके आपको यहाँ पे दे दूँगा मम्मी को बुलाओ
सुनो
मैं
Ma'am, do we need to write the answers in the chat?
okay, do one thing. Solve short answer type questions. Okay, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. Wait.
Ma'am, do we need to write it in the chat? Write the answers?
Today, write on the paper.
Okay,
Write
ma'am.
paper. Okay. These the ones on the right hand side. Short answer type question. 1 to 7 are visible, so solve 1 to 7. Done, all of you? Children done 1 to 7?
Ma'am, almost in the sixth question.
All question?
Ma'am, I'm in the sixth question.
Okay. Tell me once all are done, we'll start discussing. I hope it is done now.
No, ma'am.
Last answer.
Okay.
अभी वाला रिसेंटली वाला हम दे देंगे सारा ठीक है इंडस्ट्री शीट में आ जाएगा चलिए जाएगा ठीक है मेरे ना बोल भाई से लिंक कनेक्ट
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, no answer in chat today. Everything we have to speak up, okay? So I will be calling upon the names, only that particular student will answer. Harshit, first, why do we use glass panes in window and showcase?
When we use glass panes in window and showcase because it is transparent and it allows all the light to pass through it and see the objects in it.
Okay. Next, Neha, second. What are miscible and immiscible liquids?
Ma'am, miscible liquids are liquids that mix with each other.
Hmm.
Examples of miscible liquids are water and milk.
Hmm.
And immiscible liquids are liquids that do not mix with each other.
Hmm.
Examples of immiscible liquids are oil and water.
Okay. Third, Bhavesh. Bhavesh there? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Third. What type of substances float on water and what type of substances sink?
Ma'am, float, wood and plastic ball, ma'am. Sink, coin and stone.
Coin and stone. What is coin made up of? Any idea, rough idea?
Ma'am?
What is coin made up of?
Ma'am, coin is made up of metal,
Okay.
iron.
And I think ship too is made up of metal, ship and boat.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how do they float?
Ma'am, they have a machine which keeps both sides equal heaviness, so it can
They have
it can
machine which keeps it floating. You mean this?
no, ma'am, like it 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 has a ma'am, can I say?
Who Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, because it has less density than water, so that
But how means two things just in the difference of their shapes and their formation, how can they have different density where materials are same?
ma'am, but they are also made of different materials, not only this iron.
No, see, if we select the same material, suppose we make a ship completely of iron, on other hand, we take iron nail. The nail would definitely sink, but the iron ship will float.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the same material, just the shape in their, just the difference in their shape and size. How do their density differ?
Mom, can I tell?
Hmm?
Can I answer?
Yeah, please.
Mom, I think because a ship is hollow.
Short shapeless,
The ship is hollow.
hollow. Okay, good. So everyone can listen this. Very good point. See, the floating and sinking of object doesn't depend on the material. It depends on the shape. Means okay. So the area, if we increase the surface area of any object to let it float, or if we are increasing the volume means space occupied. Suppose you have a clay, you made a ball out of, means you converted into a dough, a solid ball, not hollow, solid ball. If you will put in water, it will definitely sink. But if you, convert that clay into the ship shape, make such that, so, the same amount of clay, now it is not solid and it is not confined to that only a small sphere, but it has spread. Like it has a base which is somewhat oval in shape, somewhat, and it has a sides also, and it is hollow also. So surface area has increased, volume has increased. So whenever we increase area and volume, basically volume, then its density gets reduced. And when the density gets lesser, then water, then everything starts floating. Clear? If you don't remember, let me tell you one thing. Just give me a second. You know what is the formula for density? Anyone know density formula? No one? Come on.
Mass by volume.
Yes, because density equal mass per unit volume. See now here, see density is in numerator and volume is in denominator. Means density is inversely proportional to volume. So in any formula in science or mathematics, if you find any formula like density is in numerator and any other quantity like volume is in denominator on opposite side of the sign, means equality sign. Okay, this means D and V are inversely proportional. Inversely means they will go opposite. Like suppose if you increase the volume, density would decrease. And if you decrease the volume, density will increase. Okay, so in order to reduce, means make the density lesser than water, you are supposed to increase the volume. Or volume increase means make the space occupied by the object greater as much as you can. Okay, you can try this if you have that modeling clay at home. Please try it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, who will be telling next? Trilokya. Third, no, fourth. Trilokya there.
Ma'am, she is not there.
Adyakshan. Fourth. What define the terms malleable and ductile? Adyakshan, no. Neha.
Ma'am, the fourth one.
Yeah.
Ma'am, malleable substances are substances that can be made into thin sheets, and examples are copper and ductile substances are substances that can be made into thin wires.
Okay. Good. Example.
Ma'am, for both of them, it's copper.
Okay. Have you seen copper sheets also?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Can we see also?
Most of. Okay. Next, Harshit. Fifth.
Brass.
Why?
Ma'am, because it will when it is ringed, it will sound more than the other materials. Can I say?
The property of metals that when they are stuck or to make a sound, they make the sound sonorous sound actually. Okay, like if you say, suppose you ring the bell in the temple, you ring now at times we have electric bells in schools, but in earlier time when our parents or grandparents used to study, the bell was made in the shape of a circle, and we had a hammer like thing to beat on that plate, the circular plate. So, the sound made by any type of metals is sonorous. That's why. Whereas plastic will not make such sound, wood will also not, stone will also not. Next is Bhavesh.
Plastic will break when they.
Yeah. Bhavesh.
Ma'am, sixth one.
Yeah.
Ma'am, iron nails.
Sorry.
Ma'am, iron nails.
Those whose chances show more than one properties. Classify the given this is more than one property. How?
They have more than one properties.
Like? Like? Harshit, Neha, Adyakshan, anyone else for sixth?
Ma'am, can I?
Hmm.
Ma'am, we can classify these materials as soft and hard also, ma'am.
Okay.
Soft, paper and butter come under soft, and iron nail and stone come under hard.
Okay.
We can also classify them as conductors and insulators.
Hmm.
Iron nail comes under conductor, and stone, paper and butter come under insulators.
Okay. So first of all, we need to understand the meaning of question, Bhavesh. Okay. In first statement says most of substances show more than one properties. Definitely. classify the given objects. We have to classify. So not only one had to pick out, but we have to classify objects on basis of more than one property. So first is soft and hard. We can write two. Two are coming under hard, two are coming under soft. Next is being conductor and an insulator. So one is conductor, other three are insulator. Okay. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, who will be telling? This one Harshit told, right? Harshit, you told this one, sixth one?
No, ma'am, I told the fifth one and the first one.
Sixth answer these properties. Who were telling? Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Adakshan, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell seventh. Identify what is common between the pairs of substances given below. You have to tell.
Salt dissolves in water, ma'am. Sand does not dissolve in water, ma'am. Salt dissolves in water, ma'am. Sugar also dissolves in water, ma'am. Wood does not dissolve, ma'am. Paper, no, ma'am. Oil also not dissolves, ma'am. Butter also not dissolves, ma'am.
The question is asking, identify what is common between the pairs of substances given below. Between the first pair, what is common between these two? Next is between these two. So don't connect them all together, but separately tell me what is common between salt and sand.
What, ma'am?
What is common between salt and sand? Bhavesh,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me second answer. Harshit, Neha.
Ma'am, can I?
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Salt and sand are solids.
Hmm.
Salt
Ma'am,
and
salt
sugar are
and sugar.
soluble in water. Wood and paper are insulators. And
Hmm.
oil and butter are insoluble in water.
Good. Very good, Neha. Children, think means a little bit, think, try to think what can be the answer. And first of all, understand the question. Read the question twice or thrice if you require. It is asking what is common between the pairs of substances. So very good, Neha. Salt and sand seems like not dissolvable. And what is it? So you can say it is solid. It's okay. You have told about the state of matter. That's fine. Salt and sugar, we know both get dissolved in water. So yes, they are dissolvable. Next, wood and paper, they do not conduct electricity. Although paper is also derived out of wood, so they are fall under the similar category. And oil and butter, they are not mixable in water. Good. Others have got any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. So the see why we are discussing today and not I thought that no answers in chat today, so that suppose this particular question only Neha was able to answer and not none of you three. So it means think means listen to Neha's answer. You listen to Neha's answer and you got the answer finally. Okay. So some other students' answer might be the solution of your problem. Okay, that is the plus point of discussion. So come up every time. But good, I appreciate that all are participating in discussion. Okay, very good. Should I scroll the page down now? Let's do more. Let's practice more questions. Wait. Do the 8, 9, and 10. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Quickly. Done.
Ma'am, last answer.
Be quick. Be quick, children. I hope it is done. Should we start discussing? Deha, Harshit, Bhavesh, and Akshin.
Done, ma'am.
Okay,
Done, ma'am.
we will be telling 8-1. Akshin, 8. Consider the following examples and classify them on basis of classification keys as hard, soft, weak, strong, brittle, and non-brittle. Akshin, quickly tell, just take the name. Which of these are hard in nature?
Ma'am, a hard furniture are stone, ma'am,
Hmm.
and glass tabletop.
Hmm.
That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Soft.
Ma'am, aluminum foil and paper bag.
Okay. Weak. Neha.
Ma'am, weak is paper bag, glass tabletop, and aluminium foil also.
They will be weak. Glass.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Okay. Fine. Because, on getting hit little harder, the glass tabletop is risky to get broken.
Yes,
Aluminum foil, it may get crushed. Paper bag also, and stone is only fine, strong.
yes, ma'am.
Even paper. Huh. Brittle, non-brittle, Harshit. Harshit, brittle, non-brittle.
Ma'am, glass tabletop is brittle and stone, aluminum foil, and paper bag are non-brittle.
Good. Bhavesh, 9. Two groups of objects are shown below. Which group represents malleable objects and what does the other group represent?
Ma'am, I did not understand ninth one.
Ninth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, the word has been repeatedly used, I guess, while we are doing the chapter also. Malleable means this is a property of materials, especially metals, that can be beaten to be converted into a sheet-like structure, like aluminum foil.
Ma'am, I did not know how to do it.
Dear, which group represents malleable objects? The A group represents malleable objects or the B group?
Ma'am, B group.
B group, understood. And what does the A group represent then?
They represent and they represent
Anyone else?
Ma'am, immovable objects.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Please.
Ma'am, the A group represents insoluble substances.
Can you please repeat just once more?
Ma'am, the A group represents insoluble substances.
Okay, great, insoluble, fine. 10th and 11th are left, okay? Anyways, you please revise the chapter properly. I'll be sharing few more questions for today for you to practice, okay? And okay, we'll meet soon. Okay, so bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.